Cycling is booming. Towns, cities, and municipalities are establishing infrastructure with bike paths and commuter-friendly streets, as well as secure bike parking spots. This is where WINTERSTEIGER comes into play with its innovative bike solutions. Quick yet environmentally friendly cleaning is particularly important. VeloClean is the versatile solution for manual bike cleaning and pre-cleaning. VeloClean is the ideal self-service station solution for towns, cities, and municipalities. A water-air jet rapidly and reliably removes even caked-on dirt and mud, and does so with water consumption from just 2 liters per bike. Dirt and wastewater are of course collected for environmentally responsible disposal. And by the way, VeloClean can be used even without a compressed air connection and running water, because the compressor, water tank, and cleaning agent are all integrated. VeloBrush is a versatile solution for fully automated bike cleaning. The innovative ergonomic bike mount means loading the bike is just as easy as cleaning it. With cleaning programs from just 2 minutes, huge time and resource savings are possible in comparison to conventional cleaning. Low-pressure technology and horizontal rotating brushes clean thoroughly and gently, as is needed for e-bikes, high-tech frames, and sensitive bicycle components. Let's take another look at the most important benefits. VeloClean and VeloBrush. Raise the quality of life in your community. Are you interested in a complete communal bicycle service concept? WINTERSTEIGER is your professional partner, standing right by your side.